Hello, I'm Chini from MSK Marai.
Subtype 4A is a complete longitudinal vertical tear of the red zone of the meniscus. The meniscocapsular and meniscotibial attachments are intact but connected to a portion of the posterior horn junction via a free-floating fragment of the meniscus, leading to the instability of both structures. A full-thickness vertical peripheral tear in the red zone of the medial meniscal posterior horn via a linear high, T2 fluid intensity signal extending from the superior to the inferior articular surface. Because of the location of this tear pattern, the healing potential after repair is significantly higher than other ramp lesions and may thus be more aggressively repaired. If the tear occurs on the far periphery of the meniscus, it is sometimes difficult to tell if it is a red zone tear or a meniscocapsular tear. Normally, the medial meniscus has a larger posterior than the anterior horn. However, if a patient is diagnosed with a tear at the meniscocapsular junction instead of a peripheral longitudinal tear in the red zone, the posterior horn may not appear larger than the anterior horn. The original size of the posterior horn can be estimated by comparing it to the size of the anterior horn. This estimation can aid in distinguishing whether the vertical line of high signal intensity, resulting from the tear, originates from the red zone or the meniscocapsular junction. Thank you for watching. If you found my video helpful, please remember to like it.